Hello students, our today's topic is determine call-up function. Define the print program and the selection variant corresponding to each correspondence type. The selection variant is used when printing the requested correspondence. You can distinguish your specification by company code, and this is usually necessary for companies with several company codes. Since you also enter the printer on which you want your correspondence to be issued in the selection variant. In determine call-up function, we will define our printing matter. For that, we can use path, SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting Global Settings, Correspondence, determine call-up function. SAP में देखते हैं. Come back. Next is determine call-up function. Now just copy our individual reference, individual correspondence, and change the company code and our correspondence. Now double click on document entry, payment, document DSP and account DSP. Then press enter and save. Click on create request, enter your description, determine call-up function. Click on continue button and then come back.